and welcome to Aiken Adventures. Today we're taking you to the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum on International Drive in Orlando, Florida. This is a driftwood sculpture. It was sculpted by a sculptor in Palm Coast, Florida. So some Florida artwork for you. And on the other side of the room, some fossilized alligator remains. Be sure to stop by this kiosk where you can make your own shrunken head. We tried and tried, but we couldn't make it work for Elena, and we think that it was because of her mask. I bet it's because of your mask. Yeah. It probably makes it hard for it to decide what your face is. Hey, you! This is some kind of special casket, which is explained in the video display above. This literally is a carved human skull. Where did all this weird stuff come from, you might be wondering? Well, this exhibit explains the history of Mr. Ripley's weird collection of oddities. These strange things were sent to him through the mail from all around the world. It doesn't tell what each item is, but everything is in categories in this room. And I think the general storyline is that when Robert Ripley started promoting his unusual finds through a television cartoon that he did, then people started sending him things in the mail. Oh, creepy. Step right up. Get your love horoscope. See if you're lovable. Too cool to hold. There's a whole strange section dedicated just to medieval torture devices. They do the wax hand thing like Madame Tussauds. The Peel car is the smallest roadworthy car ever manufactured. This mural or mosaic is made entirely of playing cards. If you haven't been able to tell already, this room is all about things of unusual size. How would you stack up next to the world's tallest man? Almost 9 feet tall. This is like a creepy red carpet of wax figures. Can you walk through this spinning tunnel without falling down? I dare you.
That's crazy. Oh, we made it.
Hi, this is Anthony and Elena.
If you've enjoyed this video, then we invite you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon as you follow us for all of our adventures around Florida.